So in the previous class also we discussed about why the name Selenium, okay,
Yeah.
and also I told you to gone through these concepts of Selenium IDE, what is the history. So this is pretty simple and straightforward. So you just have to gone through it. It's some story behind it.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's no use right now. So we'll be starting with Selenium WebDriver.
Okay.
Just let me just quickly go through this. Okay, and Selenium WebDriver. Okay, we have covered this. We covered. Okay, Selenium ID, Selenium RC, and also
Uh-huh.
and Selenium WebDriver. Fourth one is Selenium Grid.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the four component of Selenium. We cover
Uh-huh.
what is the ID. In ID,
Okay.
basically we can record and run. Right?
Yeah.
Selenium RC, we can use complex complex programming logic, but but we cannot record and something.
Okay.
Okay, record and complex for setup also we discussed in the previous class about this Selenium RC,
Yeah.
and uh, need, need to run Selenium server
Okay.
before before starting any test execution. We need to run the Selenium server.
Okay.
In case of Selenium WebDriver, we do not have to run any server as we do in Selenium RC. Right? It's a pretty
Okay.
straightforward. So we'll discuss about Selenium RC. Right?
Yeah.
Sorry, Selenium WebDriver. Correct?
Yeah.
So Selenium environment setup we have done. Like I told you how to import the jars into the Selenium in
Yes.
Eclipse IDE, how to run a particular web driver. Okay,
Yes.
driver. Okay, create one project of Selenium training. I have already created one package in the morning class,
Uh-huh.
and let me just create one another class. This is per demo new tour website will be automatic. So this is the website new
Uh-huh.
www.newtoursdemoaut.com. This is a demo site. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
we'll be automating that
Okay.
demo site name is this thing. Okay, we'll be automating this particular website. So
Okay.
let me open up in Selenium in Mozilla Firefox so that I can inspect it,
Okay.
inspect its element. Okay.
Yeah.
So by default, the username and password for this particular um, site is Mercury. Username is Mercury, and
Okay.
password also Mercury. Or you can create your own uh, username and password using sign on. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So registration form. Sorry, you need to go to register first. Okay. Give
Mm-hmm.
some essential details: phone number, email ID, address, city. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Then
Yeah.
go to sign on. Okay. And here, whatever you have provided your username and password, you can go through it and you can sign
Okay.
on.
Okay.
Mercury, Mercury file. It is a default one, so I'm using this. Let's see if I'm able to log in or not.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm now logged in into this Mercury reservation. Okay, it's kind of a demo application from where you can uh, book a flight. Okay,
Okay.
it's a demo. Means it actually it will not it will not uh, go and register for any flight for you. But
Okay. Okay.
it's a demo site kind of.
Okay.
Right? You will not book any flight over here.
Okay.
Let me just provide some information. Okay,
Okay.
and let me select some flight. Suppose I am selecting this one. Go to next, and it will say the passenger name. I need to enter. Okay, and some essential information you need to uh, whatever you can give, right? You can give anything, fine. And here also American Express card number, anything you can enter, fine. Expiry date, anything as it is. Go to secure purchase and your itinerary has been booked. So this is my confirmation page. Till here I need to automate. Then I need to logged out or back to home, whatever I can do, right? So this is the steps we'll be automating in this particular application. So fine, let me go sign off first. Okay, first of all I need to register for it. Okay, registration I can do. Okay, whenever I'll launch this particular application or I have uh, this thing, let me just, sorry, this thing, this website, when I launch the browser with this link, then I'll be on this home page. This is my home page, correct? Then after that I need to go to the registration page. Fine, I'll go to the registration page and I'll need to fill some details: email ID, first name, last name, phone number, address, city, code, etc. Okay, then username, password, and confirm password. These are the things that I need to provide in this particular application. So the simple step, the first one is uh, first one. I'll be launching my application. Okay, so let me write over here. First step is launch Chrome browser. Right, it's a manual test case. In manual test case we write some test steps, right, as we have already discussed. Launch the Chrome browser, then enter URL, which URL you need to provide, this one, Then third one is, okay, I'm now in a home page. Check or verify you are on the home page. Verify you are on the home page. Correct? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You're listening, right?
Yes. Yes.
Fine. So in manual test case, how we write a test script? Can you just help me? My simple aim is, I'm just I need to register for this for a user. So in manual
Mm-hmm.
test, how I will be achieve this? What are the steps? Test steps,
Uh, f- Firstly, open the browser,
correct?
then enter the URL,
Correct.
then go to the register one.
Register one, then
Yeah. Uh,
register one, and need to enter first name, enter the last name, etc. Right?
hmm. Yes.
And also I need to verify, like once I am entering this URL, okay, I need to
Mm-hmm.
verify I am on the home page or not. Correct.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Then after I'll be click on the register link, right?
Okay. Yes.
Click on the register one, or register link available, right?
Yes.
And then you need to verify you are on the registration page, right?
Yes.
After clicking verify you are on the registration page,
Yeah.
right? Then enter user
Okay.
informations, like what are the things you need to, f name, first name, last name, right?
Yes.
Phone number, email, address, okay, then city. So all the information you need to provide, right? Country,
Okay. Yeah.
and then user information.
Yeah. Yes.
User information. User information. All the things I need to enter. Then after that, I need to click on. Fine. Fine. Click on submit button.
Yeah.
After clicking on the submit button, okay, you should get this information, or get create account success page.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the success page. Thank you for registering. You may now sign in using your username and password you have just entered. Okay,
Okay.
your username is something because we haven't entered any username. That's why it's showing the blank, because
Yeah.
we kept it as a blank. Correct.
Yes.
So I need to write, eighth step is verify. Okay, verify that you are on the register success page. Register success page. Correct. So these are the steps
Yes.
we do follow in manual test cases, correct? So the
Yeah.
same thing we need to follow in here in test automation as well, correct? So how to do
Yes.
that? How to launch a Chrome browser in Selenium? Okay, I need to
Mm-hmm.
write the main first of all, correct? Because everything it start from main. As I said in Java, I need to start from main, right?
Yes.
Let me write the main function first. Public static void main, right?
Yeah. Public static. Yes.
Then what I need to do, I need to because in this I have entered one Selenium server standalone, right? This is a
Yes.
Selenium jar file which contain a lot of packages. All right,
Yes.
we have created some packages, right?
Yes.
Similarly, there are a lot of packages available in uh, in this jar file. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
jar file is nothing but it's a Java archived file, right?
Okay. Yes.
In which whole this thing packages are being compacted into one file that like we do zip file, right? We
Yes.
compress everything into a zip file.
Yes.
So similarly there is one thing called jar file in where we compress every packages. Okay, in every
Okay.
packages there are some class file, dot class file, right?
Yes.
So similarly, so that dot class file contains a class which have written the logic for launching web browser. Okay, if it is a Chrome browser then
Okay.
we need to open that. So the syntax is launching this Chrome browser. Syntax, what is the syntax? Syntax for launching the browser is WebDriver. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
syntax, that means the grammar, right? We cannot
Yeah.
change it. Driver, WebDriver, driver equals, we need to create the object of WebDriver is a driver class, correct?
Mm-hmm.
WebDriver is a class name. Then I need to create one object of that particular class, correct? How to create
Yeah.
an object of that class? Any class? The class name, then object name equals new, then class name, right?
Yeah.
Fine. So I need to write WebDriver driver equals new. Okay. If I am writing the Chrome driver, okay, then I need to create one object for that Chrome driver.
Yeah.
Okay, but here you can see WebDriver equal to new, it should be WebDriver, right? But here
Mm-hmm.
I am writing the Chrome driver because the WebDriver is an interface, correct?
Yeah.
So interface do not have any implementation, correct?
Yeah.
So that's why we are associating this WebDriver object with Chrome driver object with the WebDriver class.
Yeah.
WebDriver is the interface, correct?
Yeah.
So the same thing. So it will create the object of driver. That means you are now successfully launched this Chrome browser.
Yeah.
Chrome browser is being launched, but you have not entered this new tool demo. How to do this? Driver.get.
Mm-hmm.
Driver.get is a method present within that. Within that method, you need to provide this link. Okay.
Okay.
So once you write this particular thing, driver.get, okay, http
Mm-hmm.
www.news2.demoaot.com. So it will launch one Chrome browser. Then within that, you will be navigated to this particular web uh, web links, correct?
Okay.
Before that, there is one more thing I need to provide this driver, web driver, Chrome driver.
Okay.
Okay, I need to download one web driver. Okay, so go to seleniumhq.com,
Mm-hmm.
seleniumhq.org. From here, go to download section. Then go to this section. You need to uh, for Google Chrome driver. You need to download one driver, Chrome driver, 32-bit, Windows 32-bit. Why? Why? Because why we need Chrome driver? It is because just let me open one whiteboard. Okay, fine. So why? Because this is my web page, or
Yeah.
this is my browser, correct?
Mm-hmm.
This is my Selenium code.
Yeah.
This is my um, browser, browser or Chrome browser. Okay,
Yeah.
this is Chrome browser, and this one is Selenium script.
Okay.
Fine. This is my Selenium script. I'm writing
Mm-hmm.
some script over here. Okay, but to communicate with the browser, we need to have one, a breeze with in between the Selenium script and the browser. Okay,
Yeah.
which will convert this dot class file or whatever the bytecodes, okay, or browser, interactable language. Okay, whatever
Okay.
command you write in Selenium script, it cannot directly interact with the browser. Okay, we need to
Okay.
convert it into such a way that so that browser native language can understand what the Selenium script is saying.
Yeah.
S- So that's why we need to, okay, oh, we can have one bridge in between them.
Yeah.
Okay, so this bridge is called driver.
Yeah.
Okay, browser driver, I can say browser browser driver. That means if it is a Chrome browser, then it's a Chrome driver. If it is a IE browser, then this bridge should be IE driver. Okay,
Yes.
each browser there are different drivers are available. Correct.
Yeah.
So along with the Selenium script, we need to have this driver to be installed in or we can have this driver to be referenced with the Selenium script so that when we run this Selenium script, okay,
Mm-hmm.
it will create some dot class file or some machine readable language, correct?
Okay. Yes.
Once you compile this, the JVM will convert it to dot class file or machine level or machine readable language, right? This script will be
Yes.
machine readable, but that machine readable language cannot be, this browser cannot understand that language, that bytecode or whatever it is converted by JVM. The directly cannot, this browser native language cannot accept it. Okay,
Yes.
to make it understand this browser, Chrome browser, to make it understand the Selenium code, we need to have some intermediary, this breeze in between them. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's why we come up with one concept called web driver,
Okay.
correct? So For Chrome browser, we use Chrome driver.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Then if it is IE browser, okay, we
Mm-hmm.
use an IE driver. So similarly, there are Safari driver, there are Firefox, okay, Mozilla
Yes.
Firefox browser. Also, initially when the Selenium started in the initial phase, we do not require, you know, this browser. It was automatically triggered Mozilla Firefox. But nowadays, I think it is if when Selenium uh, 3 3 onward, we must use Mozilla Firefox, Mozilla driver as well. Okay,
Okay. Yes.
Mozilla driver. Fine. So you understand why we use the Chrome driver, IE driver, Mozilla driver, right?
Yes.
To interact with any browser, we need to have one intermediary um, channel, right? Or breeze in
Yes.
between browser and Selenium script. Correct?
Yes.
Fine. So now, so that driver we need to download it from the Selenium HQ site. Go to seleniumhq.org, then go to download section, then go
Mm-hmm.
to this section, third party drivers. Okay, you can see
Okay.
over here there is a driver section, and from here, if you are using a Mozilla Firefox, go to this driver, click on this, and it
Mm-hmm.
will be automatically downloaded. If you are running it through the Chrome browser, then download the Chrome, Mozilla Google Chrome driver 2.33
Uh-huh.
version. And if you are using Opera or Edge driver, okay, Microsoft Edge or Ghost driver, if you are using Phantom JS and
Mm-hmm.
HTML unit driver is a headless browser. I mean, the same thing will run behind. You cannot, see the UI part. Correct?
Okay.
Like
Yes.
I'm opening this in the Chrome browser, so I am able to view everything. But in HTML unit driver, everything will be work fine, but you won't be able to see it. It is not
Yeah.
visible. The same work will be performed behind the screen.
Okay. Yeah.
And the Safari driver and Windows Phone driver, iOS driver is there. There is a lot of drivers are available in market
Okay.
in this, but
Okay. Yes.
mostly we use Chrome driver, IE, okay,
Mm-hmm.
Internet Explorer driver. Then we use the Ghost driver or Mozilla Firefox driver. Correct. So for the time being, I have downloaded this Google Chrome driver 2.33. Okay, this one
Okay.
I have already downloaded over here. Let me just open it, and let me just copy and paste over in that Selenium drive, Selenium this thing here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and be extracting this thing here. You can see there is a Chrome driver. Okay,
Yes.
one exe file is being generated. So
Okay.
I'm copying this path. Okay, taking the
Yeah.
whole path of this driver, and I need to paste over here in this driver. So basically, so you need to write some one key before creating, launching this driver. You need to provide this WebDriver path as well. So how to
Yeah.
do? You need to write this thing. You need to remember this particular line. System dot set property. Okay. Set property. You need to write WebDriver WebDriver.driver. Okay,
Yeah.
WebDriver.Chrome.driver, and the second one would be the path. Correct.
Yes.
So this is the syntax you need to write. Okay, let me write this particular thing and let's see if it is working fine or not in our case.
Okay.
Right. The same thing, I need to first write the system dot set property. Okay, set property, this one. Okay, here I need to write WebDriver. Okay,
Yeah.
dot Chrome, dot driver. Then the second one is I need to provide the whole path of the exe file.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah.
So after that, I have set this WebDriver. Okay, driver path.
Yes.
Then I need to create an object of the WebDriver class. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Correct.
Yeah.
Fine. And here you can see it's showing some error. You need to import that class as well. Okay,
Okay.
once you hover on that, it will suggest you to import this WebDriver.
Okay.
It is coming from org.openqa.selenium. From here in this package there is a class. Okay, let me just show
Yeah.
you that class. The jar, you can see it should be somewhere here. Org. Okay, it is coming from here only, right? So you can
Yeah.
check and you can find that class as well from WebDriver
Okay.
class. Okay,
Yes.
fine. So I have imported that. Then I need to. So this driver object has some inbuilt functions. Okay,
Yes.
driver.get. Once you write like get, so it will. Here I have created launched blank browser.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, blank browser, and here in this step, okay, I think I need to copy this thing. Okay,
Yes.
this path. Fine, and here launching uh, to the from here I'm launching to the demo site.
Okay.
Fine.
Yes.
Now I should be able to launch an home page.
Okay.
I am on home page. Correct.
Yeah.
So let me try to run this particular piece of code and let's see whether I am able to launch um, this particular link on the Chrome browser or not. Let's see.
Okay.
You can ask me any question if you if you think there is
Yes.
going first or something. Just let me know. Okay.
Yeah.
So once you run it, it will take some time and it will
Mm-hmm.
launch this browser. Okay. You can see starting from driver 2.3, 2.33, and
Mm-hmm.
the Chrome browser will be started
Mm-hmm.
in a while. Okay. You can see one browser is being started.
Right.
There is some slowness issue in my laptop that is taking some time. Okay, fine. Now you can see, so browser is being launched, and after that it will go to that URL. Fine.
Okay. Yeah.
It is pretty simple.
Yes.
Fine. So yes, fine. Suppose it is in minimized mode, right? Uh, I want to have it in a maximize mode. How to do that? I need to maximize, right? How to do that?
Yes.
I need to write driver dot manage, okay,
Yes.
dot, sorry, driver dot, 1 second, it should be present here. What was that? Should be present with the manage this. So there is another navigate class is sorry, navigate method is already present within this
Mm-hmm.
driver object. Okay, within that
Okay.
method there are some action class. Okay, or I can say
Yeah.
some object is present, like if you want to forward any particular browser, like if I want to go to backward, if I want to go forward, etc., right? I can do like driver dot navigate dot back, forward, then I can have a refresh also. If I want to go to some particular web browser also, I can go to I can enter that. Okay, also
Yeah.
there is another thing, uh, if I want to wait also, I can write that. So this is all about the manage. Okay, in this manage object we have this much forward, backward. Okay, then I have a refresh, then I have to, then to the URL. Using URL also you can write, or you can use the string of that link also, you can provide the link,
Yeah.
it will navigate to that particular link. Fine. So this is all about the navigate. Then another thing is manage. Okay, and in manage I have add cookies. So we'll talk about each of the component that we are having over here. Okay, we'll go through it,
Okay.
each and every one. Don't worry about it. For this I'm just trying to tell you what all are the options available. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, fine. So we have managed window. Okay, then we can see it is saying, hey, it's full screen. Also, you can do the full screen. We can get the position of the window. Suppose one window is present within this particular box, so you can get the x-axis, y-axis of that particular window as well. Correct. You can maximize this window.
Yeah.
Driver dot window dot maximize. Okay, to maximize
Yes.
this particular web element. And suppose I want to, after maximizing, I just wanted to wait for 20 seconds to load this particular page. How to do that? Driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicit wait. Okay, implicit
Yeah.
wait. I can say I'll be waiting for 30 seconds. So it will wait for 30 seconds. If that particular element or that page is not being loaded, okay, it will throw some error. Okay, within the 30 second, it will wait up to 30 second. If it is not loaded within that 30 second, or if that any particular element is not found within that 30 second, it will not show any error, but beyond that it will show some error, right? Time unit dot seconds. Correct. Fine. So I am just navigated to this page, then maximizing my browser, then waiting for 30 seconds. Fine, let me run it. So I have been navigated to this particular page. Now it is maximized, right? You can see maximized. Now it waited for 30 seconds. Fine. So this is how we navigate. The second thing we need to do is, okay, so okay, after doing the particular thing, you can also quit the driver. Quit the driver, I mean, you destroy the driver object. Okay, that is driver dot quit. Okay, or also you can write driver dot close also. So there are some difference between driver dot quit and driver dot close, right? The quit, it will, driver dot quit will close the whole session, and in this case it will close the current browser. Correct. Hello. Hello. Hi Aditya, you there? Hello.
Yes, Afsar, I'm there. Something, I don't know what happened. I think my phone just hung
Okay.
for a while. Yes, I'm there.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so in interview you will get the question, what is the difference between driver dot quit and driver dot close? Fine.
Okay.
So this is more
Yes.
important question. Interview question. Interview question. Fine.
Yeah.
So question is, what is the difference between driver dot quit
Mm-hmm.
method and driver dot close method?
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So basically, what is the difference is answer. So driver dot quit method, it will, okay,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
or destroy the WebDriver object and close all the sessions.
Okay.
Okay, all the session that is being created.
Okay.
But in this case, driver.close, okay, in this method, what happens is current browser, okay, browser or not browser, current window is closed, not the all session created by WebDriver. Yeah. So, what is the difference between these two things? Suppose you have, this using WebDriver, you have opened three browser at a time. Suppose, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Three browser.
Yes.
Currently, you are working on third browser. Okay,
Yeah.
three windows already present. Okay,
Yes.
and you are working on the third browser. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
If you use driver.close, so the window in which you are working on, that window only will be closed. Okay, that will
Okay.
be destroyed. But if you write driver.quit, it will destroy the whole number of browsers, or it will close the object instance created uh,
Okay.
in the initialization of WebDriver. Okay,
Okay.
so all the
Yes.
browser will be closed using
Okay.
driver.quit. But in
Okay.
driver.close, only third browser will be closed and remaining two will be there.
Okay.
Fine. So this is the main
Yes.
difference. Fine.
Yes.
So let me. You can write either one, both.
Okay.
It will close. And let me just link any particular. Click on the any link. Okay.
Okay.
So, www.demo new tour. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I am on home page now. Okay.
Okay.
Because I have already written this code. this thing.
Mm-hmm.
I am on home page, so I need to verify that I am on home page. So how to verify? What are the possibilities you can verify that you are on this page? How can you verify? Can you just tell me in manually
Uh,
how you'll do?
in manually, we'll write open the browser, then
Yeah, that is fine.
enter.
You are on this page now, so you need to verify. You need to give some proof that you are on this page. How?
Okay.
Hmm? Yeah.
Uh, we can copy the link,
Yes, absolutely. We can do.
and
Hmm?
and we can put the same Java in Java programming, and we can copy the link. Uh, Means get download all the jars.
Yeah,
Then
that's
after,
fine. I'm not talking about these jars now. I'm talking about manually. How you'll prove that you are on the home page or in this page. I'm clicked on this, launched on this link. This link I have launched, right? You need to now prove that you are on this page now. Okay. I mean, there is no blank page is available, or this page is being loaded successfully. How to verify? I mean, manually how will write the test case?
uh,
You are on this page. So how to give some proof?
enter username, enter password.
Yeah, that's the thing, right? So you need to verify, like, if this username and password field is, sorry, this username or password field is is visible to you,
Okay.
then you can see, like, hey, I am on this home page. If it is not
Yes.
loaded, or if this home page is blank, then you will not see any field over here. Or you can
Oh,
take any, not only username password, you can take any link, any web element, or even you can take this uh, title as a browser title as well, right?
okay. Yes.
If you see welcome Mercury Tours is present, or title is present, then also you can see, hey, I am on the home page. Correct.
Right. Yes.
And you can also take this URL also, like if you are on this URL, you can say I am on the home page. Okay, if I am clicking on this register page, you can see this title is being changed to register Mercury Tour. previously it was
Yes.
Previously it was welcome Mercury Tours.
Yes.
Once you click on this register, it is now being changed, or other thing is being changed, like first name, last name. Okay, this field name also changed. So manually you will verify this. If this field or this link or this web element is present, then you can see, hey, I am on this register page. Correct.
Okay. Yes.
So the same thing we need to do in this Selenium as well. We need to verify that I am on the home page. How to do that? I need to write one more thing called, okay, I am maximized and waited for some second. I need to verify. Okay,
Okay.
verify that you are on the home page.
Yes.
Correct. So I am following the same test case, test steps I have written over here. You can see, sorry, this one, 8 test steps, right?
Mm-hmm.
Enter, get, sorry, this thing, launch the browser. I have launched the browser. I am now enter this URL. Then I need to verify you are on the home page. Then after that, I will be clicking on the register link, right?
Okay. Yes.
So how to verify the you are on the home page? You need to write driver. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
dot, I'll be using this get title.
Yes.
Get title. Okay, driver dot get title. So
Yeah.
this will return me, okay, this will return me the web page title.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that web page, so this is this one. this title is in a string format, right? String, right?
Yeah.
So I can save it somewhere. String, okay, some name. I can say browser or registration or welcome page or whatever.
Okay.
Welcome page equals driver get dot title. So it will return me one string value and I'll be assigning into a string type variable. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yes.
we are using Java concept, right?
Okay. Yes.
We are getting the title. Okay. It will
Yeah.
return me which title? This title. This is a string value. So I am saving this title into a welcome as a I have created one user defined variable as a
Okay.
string
Sure.
value. Okay.
Sure.
So within that, this welcome will contain which thing? Welcome Mercury tours, right? Let
Yes.
me just print that. How to print any value?
We need to write
Hmm?
get, the get function, system
Hmm.
set proper. No, 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 no.
Tell me.
Uh, System output.
Yes, system dot out dot println, right?
Yeah.
System dot out dot println, and here I'll be writing title of the web page.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the title? I can print this welcome.
Yes.
Fine. Let me
Yes.
see. What's the title now? Fine. So it is being ran successfully. 30-second waited, and you can see title of the web page is this thing. Welcome Mercury tours.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm getting this title as well. So how to verify that you are on the title? You can say if, okay, this welcome, okay, welcome that contains, okay, contains.
Hmm.
So we are, verifying or comparing the both. We're comparing the strings,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
If the whatever you get from this driver or get title, welcome,
Hmm.
right? If it is this if it is same as welcome Mercury tour, then it is passed, right?
Yeah.
I can say passed, or otherwise else fail.
Yeah.
If the title is not same, or if the title is not welcome Mercury tours, then it will be coming to
Yeah.
this condition, if else condition, right? So you
Yes.
remember this thing, if else condition.
Yeah.
Have you remember this thing?
Yes.
Correct. So it will check first, like if it is true, welcome dot contain. Welcome is a string type, so welcome dot contains will return you true or false. If this welcome contains this thing, this welcome Mercury tours, then it will return you the true value, otherwise false. If it is a true, then it will print this thing. If it is a false, then it will print this particular failed. Correct.
Yes.
Let me run it. It's running. Opening the browser. Now it's being closed and passed. Right. You can
Yeah.
see. this is being executed. Suppose I am, I just uh, I can just remove the U from Mercury, right? Let's
Yeah.
see if it is passing or not. It is failed, right? Because
Yeah.
it is not same. So fine. So this is being automated. We are automated till here.
Yes.
Now you need to click on this register link. How to click on particular link? It is more important. You need to now click on this register link. How to click on this? You need to just right click on this particular thing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
go
Yeah.
to inspect element. Inspect element. Okay, go to inspect
Yes.
element, and from here you will have to, okay, you can
Yes.
see if it's a link type. Okay, okay, fine. So you need to find that element, correct?
Okay.
How to find that element? Okay, how to find that element? There are some methods available. Okay, the tricks also available. How to find the particular web elements, XPath
Okay.
or ID by using a CSS element or partial text or text or link,
Okay.
whatever. All right.
Yes. Yeah.
So I have covered this thing. Okay, so there are get title also we cover the get page source. You can also get the page source as well. Whole page source. This is the page source. This one, correct?
Yeah.
Whatever thing over here is HTML code. You can get that code as well. Okay,
Okay.
let me just print that one. Okay, and here I'll be
Yes.
writing driver dot get page source,
Okay.
and also okay, fine. Here I'll write page source. Okay,
Okay.
let me run it. Let's see whether it is returning us one page source or not of that particular page. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the HTML code, whole HTML code is being printed.
Yeah.
Fine,
Yes.
everything, everything from here,
Yeah.
HTML, right? So this is the page source, and another thing is also present. Let's see what other method is present. Get title, get window handle is present. You can
Mm-hmm.
get the window handles of that particular class, sorry,
Yeah.
with that particular window. Okay, what is the window handle ID is present, right? Or you can
Yeah.
get the current URL, current page URL also you can get.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just write the current URL, so it will return you the current URL.
Okay.
Fine, now you can see
Yes.
After printing this HTML or whole page source, after that
Yeah.
there is the current URL. Current URL is demo new tour demoaut.com. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
Fine. So there is another thing called find element. Okay, how to
Yes.
how this WebDriver can recognize these web elements, these web element. Okay, we'll see in the next class, right?
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yes. Yes. Sure.
Okay, so for that you need to go through these codes. I'll be providing all this code here. I'll be okay. Till here I have covered. In the
Okay.
next step I'll be covering.
Okay. So we have class in next week, right? Next Saturday, Sunday.
I will let you know because we are far behind. So I
Okay.
think we should have uh, two more sessions in this
Okay.
week as well, because you know we are going behind the schedule.
Okay.
So I think we need to gear up.
Okay. Sure.
So tomorrow we will not have any class, but on the next day, sorry, let me get this 29, 30 is no class. That means okay, today is 29 a.m. already.
Yeah.
So in my morning, it is not possible for me for tomorrow. Yeah, for the 30th of morning time of my morning, that is 7:30.
Yeah. My evening. That's fine. That's fine.
That's fine. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we'll do that session in 30th and 31st.
Okay.
Also, we'll have another session, or I'll let you know.
Sure.
But in 7:30, we'll be having one session. Correct.
Okay. Sure.
The next sessions, I'll be let you know in the next class.
Okay. Sure. No problem.
Fine. For that, and then you'll get tomorrow time or today's time as well. So go through all the concept, but try to automate something. That Java part is fine if you are not you don't have laptop now. That's fine. No issue with that. But at least go through the Selenium IDE in
Yes.
your old laptop. Okay. Try to install that Selenium IDE and try to
Okay.
automate some basic thing like Gmail. Try to automate Facebook, okay,
Okay.
or some LinkedIn, something. You just automate it, two, three websites in Selenium ID. You just have to record and run, okay,
Okay. Sure.
and then whatever we have covered, this thing, at least this thing, okay. I'm going slowly. That's why you should, able to uh, cope up with this class, okay.
Okay. Sure.
Go through this thing whatever we have covered, like how to create one browser instance, how to launch a browser, how to uh, verify that you are on the home page, etc. Okay,
Sure.
these three concepts, you just go through it, and I think that would be
Okay.
very much helpful if Selenium point of view, and it is more important now. This is the main topic that we are right, we are
Okay.
uh, the main topic this is. So you need to take more attention on this,
Okay. Sure.
and I'll be giving you this link. I think you have already this link of this note class note link, or should
Yes.
I give you?
Class note. I already have. Means it's in the shared drive, right?
Correct.
Okay. Like
So
if I don't
everything
see anything, I'll let you know.
correct, correct. No problem, no issue. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So go through it.